Welcome aboard. In this video, I will talk about a great project where you can earn airdrops. Let's get started. Just 4 months ago, in October, the value of Ethereum was around $1,500. Back then, I was sharing videos about spot ETFs on my YouTube channel, anticipating that as we approach the bull season, the crypto markets would rise. Nowadays, the value of Ethereum is around $2,912. This price may fluctuate up or down. But one thing we know for sure is that the Ethereum ecosystem is growing every day. While this growth brings advantages to investors, it also brings some disadvantages. As the number of users and transaction volume in the Ethereum ecosystem grows, the Ethereum network faces congestion and high transaction fees. Therefore, Layer 2 emerges as an important solution. If you're not familiar with layers, let me give you a brief overview. Layer 1 is the basic infrastructure of cryptocurrencies. Layer 2 is a technology layer built on top of Layer 1. Layer 2 technologies reduce the transaction congestion on Layer 1 by executing some of the transactions on Layer 2 protocols, making transactions on Layer 1 faster and cheaper. Layer 3 is a crypto layer built on top of Layer 2. Layer 3 increases the scale of transactions made on Layer 2. Its goal is to make cryptocurrencies easier to use and to reach wider audiences. Applications such as DeFi, decentralized finance, and DEX, decentralized exchange, exist among Layer 3 technologies. As the Ethereum ecosystem matures, more applications will emerge, and new solutions to problems will be found. That's exactly the topic of this video. Owlto Finance is the solution to the problems I just mentioned. Owlto Finance is a decentralized cross-layer bridge specifically designed for the transfer of native assets within the Ethereum network. It is thought that Owlto can respond well to user needs and solve problems in the industry. Owlto has many advantages. Owlto's transactions are fast, economical, and convenient, which are great advantages. To see more advantages and to understand what Owlto does in more detail, I'm leaving the link to this file below. Owlto Finance will distribute airdrop rewards. It will distribute rewards to those who use its system. As you conduct transactions on Owlto's website, you'll earn points. If you look at the explanations about points, you'll also see the mention of airdrop. So, I think the points we'll earn here will be beneficial for us. And believe me, there are thousands of people who think like me. To access Owlto, click on my discounted referral link in the description section of the video. Since my link is a discounted link, it will benefit both you and me. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to perform bridge transactions. You can send Ethereum or other assets from one network to another. You must have sufficient assets in your account because the fees for bridge transactions are higher than normal transactions. To perform the bridge transaction, you need to specify the networks and confirm the bridge transaction. That's all. By logging in daily and clicking on the check-in button, you can earn extra points. Besides that, sometimes there are events where you can earn extra points here. You can also check out those events. To see the transactions you've made, check the transaction history section. Here, you can see how many points you've earned from each transaction. Above, there's a StackNet airdrop inquiry. Those who use the StackNet network and meet other requirements on Owlto earned airdrop rewards from StackNet. I hope you can also earn airdrop rewards from new projects like Owlto. If you invite someone to the system, you'll earn both points and commission rewards. You can see how much commission you can earn by inviting people to the system here. Now you know about the Owlto system. Owlto does not guarantee a refund or airdrop. I also want to remind you not to see this video as investment advice. See you in the next video.